Very happy to be in Pakistan. We are not very familiar with the desert, so it's a new experience for us. But the people that we met have been incredibly friendly. Everybody has been so helpful, and we love Pakistan.
माउंटेनस्केप सब देखे हैं और कई लोगों से मिले हैं, बहुत फ्रेंडली है यहाँ पे लोग, बहुत मदद की हमारी जब भी वहाँ करते हैं। कोई कहता है पानी चाहिए, खाना चाहिए या कुछ चाहिए, बहुत very friendly people. Very nice to be in Pakistan.
I'm here with a bunch of Malaysian friends. We started the travel 5 weeks ago from Paris, and we are riding and driving our way back all the way to Malaysia, and we're now in Pakistan. And we love the food that we see here because it's also familiar to our local food back in Malaysia.
ये जर्नी है एक्चुअली टूर की, गुडविल की, फ्रेंडशिप है हमारी मलेशिया से सब मुल्कों के साथ, पाकिस्तान के साथ।
The experience has been incredibly positive. We go through places that most tourists don't go, and we get to meet local people who are incredibly nice. Sometimes language can be a problem, but I think the people here are incredibly generous. Our journey is that we just want to see the world, and we want to see the real world, not through package tours, not through organizers, not through arrangers, but by going deep into the country, meeting the people and understanding what goes on.